Okay, guys, ever wanted a stylish way to let customers browse straight into different categories, complete with hover video previews? Well, this section makes it feel genuinely premium. Today, we're adding this collection section to your store. So let's not waste any more time. Let's jump straight into it. Open your favorite browser and search for Shopify App Store. Click on the first link. This takes you straight to the official Shopify App Store. From here, you can install any app based on your needs. Right now, we're searching for Section Kit in the search bar. This is the app that makes building your store so much easier, genuinely. Open it and install it. The process takes just a few seconds, exactly like any other Shopify app. After installing, go to Explore Sections and search for this section. You'll find it here. Click on More Info and purchase it. All the details are listed right below if you want to read through them. I've already purchased this one though, so let's close this and click on My Sections instead. This is where your purchase sections live. Let me scroll down, and there's the section. Click on Customize, choose your favorite theme, and the section installs successfully. Now, let's open it in Theme Customizer and give it a second to load. Once ready, click on Add Section and search for it. Then choose Collection from the results. It'll be added instantly. Now let's scroll down and customize it together. First, let's customize the collection itself. On the left side, click on Add Collection. Once you add one, you'll see a category title field where you can add your collection's name. I'll fill this in based on my own collection. Right below that, there's a category URL field where you can add a link to a collection or product. Below that, you'll find the main image where you can add your product image. I'm adding one that matches my collection here. Right after that, set the hover media to video. This way you can add a hover video instead of just a static hover image. Both options are available depending on what you'd prefer. You'll go through this same process for every collection you add, step by step. Now let's move on to the section's main settings. There's a Choose Layout option with 3 different layouts to pick from. Choose whichever fits your collection best. Next, let's change the section's heading to Shop by Category. Right below that, you can toggle on Use Custom Font button. From there, you can customize the heading font size for mobile, font weight, text transform, and text alignment, which has 3 different options. You can also adjust the line height and heading color. I won't be changing any of these right now since they already work well for my collection, but you can fully customize each one to match your own store. Once you've adjusted everything according to your collection, just hit Save, and the section goes live on your store. If you found this tutorial helpful, drop a like, and let me know in the comments if you run into any issues. I read every single one, and I'm always happy to help.